Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey through the fascinating history of world coins. Buckle up because this is going to be an exciting ride. Coins have been around for thousands of years. The first ever coins were minted in Lydia, an ancient kingdom in what is now Turkey, around 600 BC. Imagine that, carrying around little pieces of metal to buy goods and services instead of bartering. It was revolutionary. Now let's fast forward to ancient Greece. Greek coins were not just currency, they were works of art. Each city-state had its own coin design, often depicting their gods, heroes, and symbols. These coins were a way to show off their culture and power. Talk about making a statement. Moving on to the Roman Empire, where coins took on a whole new level of importance. Roman coins were used to spread the emperor's image and propaganda throughout the vast empire. Each new emperor would mint his own coins, essentially broadcasting his face, name, and achievements to every corner of the realm. It was ancient marketing at its finest. But it wasn't just Europe that was minting coins. Over in China, they were producing coins as early as the 5th century BC. Chinese coins were unique, often round with a square hole in the center. This design made it easy to string them together and carry large amounts. How cool is that? Let's not forget the Islamic world. Islamic coins started appearing in the 7th century AD and were known for their beautiful calligraphy and lack of human images. These coins were a testament to the rich cultural and religious heritage of the region. In medieval Europe, coins became more standardized as kingdoms grew and economies expanded. The British pound, for instance, can trace its roots back to the Anglo-Saxon period. Talk about a long history. As we reach the modern era, coins continued to evolve. In the 19th and 20th centuries, countries began to standardize their currency systems, making international trade more straightforward. And today, coins are still an essential part of our daily lives, even in an age dominated by digital transactions. So whether you're a history buff or just fascinated by shiny objects, the world of coins is an incredible testament to human ingenuity and culture. Each coin tells a story, a snapshot of the time and place it was minted. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour of world coins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.